Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. On this video I'll be getting the Escort ready to go to the welder's house. So what I'll do is I will put a time lapse up of us putting the doors back on and various other little bits that the welder wants on the car before he starts chopping things away. Whilst we're on the video here now, I'm going to go around the passenger side just so you guys can see what it is actually like. And yeah, I've heard various quotes of people saying about rust, but I'm just lost for words with this one. There's so much over the past, and not only that, you can see where the patches have been done before. So we're having obviously a new kick panel, new floor. As you can see, the sills have been put on top of sills, so the old sills are under there somewhere. They're not the best cover-up job. And then all in here is getting redone. There's having new sills, inner and outer, new floor pan to get rid of all these horrible patches that have been done in the past. Obviously I understand it's an old car and it is going to have its patches and holes in places. So, but that's it for now, and what I'll do is I'll put the time-lapse video up now so you can have a quick look at that, and I'll be back in the end to just say a few final words. So now that the doors are back on, the car is ready to go away to the welders. I will load all the body panels back inside the car, ready to be taken. But for now, the Escort will be gone out of the way, and I'll be able to concentrate on doing the engine and other little bits and bobs. Next, I'm going to strip down the pedal box. I've bought some new bits for that. I'm going to strip down a few of the little bits and bobs and just get them painted and tidied up so everything can be bolted back on once the car comes back. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already and want to see what I'm getting up to with the Escort, please subscribe and hit the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. Cheers guys.